a lot of different meanings. Its basic idea is getting something out of somewhere, okay? But it's not always obvious that that's what it means. Banchamach literally means something like to get out, okay? But it can also mean to reach somewhere. So things that can't be reached, if you ban amach them, that means you reach them, okay? So the word Geall-Cuid, for example, means your destination. You ban, Geall-Cuid wanchamach, to reach my destination. An Aichin wanchamach, that place to reach. Mexico wanchamach. Jairiling, Mexico wanchamach, we succeeded in reaching Mexico, okay? Or Jairiling, Era wanchamach, we succeeded in reaching Ireland, okay? But it also means to kind of get something. So, an idea maybe that you're toiling to get it. So slivacha literally means way of life, but it's used for your the word like living in English, to earn your living. Okay. The word ban is used when you harvest something. It's the harvesting. So fair a winch is to harvest like hay or whatever. Okay. So in this case, his sliva, his way of life or his living, to a wanchamach, to earn or to get. Domhain, for myself. Okay? Agus go nairoilom, and that I will succeed. Okay, so the word ida, even though it means to rise, when it's combined with le, it means to succeed in something. So go nairoilom, that it will succeed with me. Okay, another one of these words like airi is one of the long verbs, 2 syllables. So I roilom, I will succeed. Okay? So again, it's the same ending that we've had on all these other ones here. Okay, at least all the ones were slender. Okay? Okay, so gonai roilom, marachtal is to live. Okay? Nairoilom marachtal ermehuristal, on my salaries, lavliana for half a year. Okay? Laf means half. Lavliana, half a year. Okay? Now, when he makes a promise, a bet here, Kuri Geall lat go dosoime, that I will start. Okay? The word go is used, when you make a promise that something will happen. Okay? Likewise, when you say something, you can say, what did he say? He said that something. Okay? The word that there is go. And we're going to look at that one a little bit. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to look at it with the word durt first of all. So durt means said. So you want to say what someone said, you say durt she go, he said that, and then you go on to whatever he said. So he said he had a headache. First of all, how do you say he has a headache? Or or he has one. He does.
Or he.
Air. Okay, katinas keen air. Okay. How about he had a headache? Tinas keen air. Okay. Now, if you want to say he said that he has a headache, you say dortshe, that's the part that he said. Dortshe, you have the word go, and you basically throw this on, but a couple things happen. Go, first of all, eclipses words that come after it, and the word pa has a special form. So, pa changes to, yeah, this is actually, these are switched from what's on the sheet. Dortshe go will. Yeah, finish keen air. Okay? Dortshe go will.
But that's had, right?
Yeah, ta tennis keen air, he has a headache. Dortshe go will tennis keen air. Okay, now V,
He said he has.
he says he has, yeah. He said he has a headache.
He says he has.
So yeah, you come in and you just talk to this guy, and you come in and you say, you know, what did he say? Ka durche. You say, durche gowil tinaskiner. In other words, I just talked to him and he said he has a headache. He can't come with us.
It can be either said or says.
No, this means said, and this means that he has one now. Or he has, yeah, when you talk to him. Okay? V tinaskiner means he had a headache. And to say he said that he had a headache, durche go and Rev, yeah. Tinaskeen, yeah. Okay? The word ta changes all over the place. You pretty much have to learn how ta changes. Okay? So, back to the sheet. These are backwards from what the sheet has. So that may be a little confusing. Okay?
How do you say he says in the present?
Dershe. Dershe.
Dershe. Thanks.
Yeah.
Dershe.
Yeah. Okay? A lot of times you're reporting someone's speech, though, you're going to say Dershe because you can tell what someone said. Okay. Guess it doesn't make that much of a difference, Dershe or Dershe. Okay. So, sentence G was actually the second one here. So, Dorche gorev tinaskiner, he said that he had a headache. Literally, he said that there was a headache, sickness of head on him. Okay? And if he said that he has one, Dorche gowil tinaskiner. Okay? So, Dorche gowil tinaskiner. And if he says he will have a headache, okay? All right? I don't know, he's going to a concert or something. Dorche gomei tinaskiner. Okay, so the word bay is will be, gomei, that there will be. Okay?
I'm going to have a headache. I read 200 essays from middle school students about why college is important.
Okay, so how would you say she said that she will have a headache? Durchi gomei tinaskin urhi. Yeah. So Durchi, she said, gomei, that there will be tinaskin headache urhi on her. Okay? Now, the couple that show up, I see the one that shows up here is Gonai Roy. So if you want to say, he said that he will put it on the table, Durche gogurishe eramorde. Okay, so Durche gogurishe. So kurishe eramorde means he will put it on the table, but Durche gogurishe eramorde. So go eclipses the following word. Okay? And go also sticks an N in front of a vowel, so he said that he will succeed. Durche gonai roilesh. Literally, he said that it will rise with him. Okay? Durche gonai roilesh. How do you say she said that she will succeed? Yeah, Durche gonai roile. Or lei. Yeah, either way. Okay?
Is there a difference between lay and lehi?
No, same word. Different places use different ones.
Is that the same Gonairi on Boherlat?
Gonairi and Boherlat, may your journey succeed. May your road succeed. May your road succeed, yeah. Okay. Alright, so back to the main sentence. So Kuri Megyalat is I will make a wager with you. Godosoime, that I will start. So here again we eclipse the T with a D. Godosoime, that I will start in you today. Machli vaha awanshimach. Whatever thing you start, it has air in front of it. So I will start on my living to earn, domhain, for myself, agus gonai roilom, and that I will succeed, marach toil, to live, machuristal, on my salary, last gliana, half a year. Okay? So let's try that on. So Kuri Megyalat, Godosoime inyo, Ermachli vaha awanshimach, domhain, agus go nairoilom, marach toil, machuristal la vliana. Okay, so let's do it again in pieces. So, Kurime Galat go dosoime inu. Machli vaha awanchamach domhain. Agus go nairoilo marachtar nachuristal lavliana. Okay. Lavliana. It's probably done. This one and the next one are the most. Yeah, this one and the next one are probably the most convoluted sentences in here. So. All right, so we'll do one more sentence then. Okay, it says Mora naidian lom choki merash hoget agus turima kwega eurovich the tort dagriach harfanachta erbe around Naoi 2 hain. So